Hello, fly babies. Hello, my lions. Hello, patrons. Today is Wednesday. We're in midweek, and we have 3 things to do today. Our morning routine, well, all the routines, 5 routines, our basic weekly plan, and on Wednesday, that is planning and desk day, and our zone, and we're in zone 4, the master bedroom, and the master bathroom, if you have one, and the master closet. All right, so let's see what we do today. First thing, let's take this phone with you if it's early in the morning or whatever you're watching me on. If it's small, get up, make your bed if you can, if no one's in it, and then go into the bathroom. You can watch me while you do it. Now we're going to do our morning routine. Remember what that is. Wash your face, brush your teeth, put on moisturizer, put on makeup if you wear it, jewelry and perfume if you wear those, get dressed, fix your hair, wipe out the sink, swish the toilet. Now you're not scrubbing the sink, I spray a little Mrs. Meyer's. You know I love Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day. My favorite now is lavender. Spray the sink and wipe it with a clean cloth. Spray the toilet and swish under the rim and around in the bowl. If I need to or I feel like I want to, I spray the toilet seat as well and the lid, maybe the tank and the handle. I wipe it starting at the top and work my way down. That's what I do. And all of that takes that long. Then I make sure my clothes are put in the dirty clothes, hang up the towel, so the bathroom looks nice. It's the way you left it because you're keeping it clutter-free because you're doing clutter checks 3 times a day. We'll talk about that in a minute. Next, you're going to go into the kitchen. You're going to put all your clean dishes away because last night you washed them and put them in the dish rack or you put them in the dishwasher and ran them. So now we're going to take them and put them away, make a little coffee or tea or whatever it is you drink in the morning, make a little breakfast, take a breath. Now we're going to go wake up the family, and we're going to be firm but kind. We're coming from a centered place because we've taken care of ourselves, and now we're done. Now we're going to go take care of them. So you're going to be able to inspect what you expect, to guide, to actually do for some of the children, and to be firm but kind. Kind, because you've been taken care of and you're not cranky. All right, so wake up your family. You look pretty. They love seeing something pretty in the morning. Wouldn't you rather look out at a beautiful day than a stormy, ugly day? And when you're stormy and looking, that's what it feels like to them. It's like, oh, I'm not getting out of bed. All right, so you look nice. You wake up your family. You know, there's a story in the original book, The Sidetracked Home Executives, where the mother started taking care of herself like this, and she woke up her teenage son, and he said, "Oh, Mom, you slept in your clothes." I think that's so funny because he was used to seeing her just frumpy and, you know, her gown or whatever in the morning with her hair all crazy. All right, so you're going to be shiny and pretty. You go wake up the family and you're going to put them through their morning routine. Now the older ones, you just tell them to get ready and they know what where their list is or whatever. But here's what it is, super simple. Make your bed, wash your face, brush your teeth, wipe out the sink, hang up the towel, comb your hair, put your clothes on, put your pajamas away, either in the dirty clothes or in your drawer or wherever you have them put it. Make it a convenient place, a hook, whatever. So it's not too hard, it's easy and they can do it. Come to the kitchen and have breakfast. It's a super simple morning routine. Now you may choose to add 1 or 2 teeny little things to it, just like you can add 1 or 2 teeny little things to yours. Maybe you want to remember to say morning prayer. Maybe you need to collect the eggs. But it's not, and I've said it before and I'll say it again, this is not the time for Bible study, this little 30 minutes before you wake your kids up. So if you want to do an in-depth Bible study or you want to do an in-depth prayer time and journaling, that is beautiful. If you want to do it first thing in the morning, you want to give that part of your day to the Lord, that's fine. That's lovely, and you can. You'll just set aside a separate time for that. Either when you first get up, you're going to have to get up an hour early if you've committed that. But don't use it as an excuse not to do your morning routine, because this is what gives you peace in your home. This is your part, right? Okay, and you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you, so you can do it. Or you can opt to have your study later in the day when the children are in school after you've done your morning routine. Or before, not your morning routine, your morning things, your basic weekly plan and your zone. You can do it after that or you can do it before that. As long as you get everything done in the morning, that's the point. Okay, so after everything's done, if you go to work, you're going to get in your car, your neighbor's car, if you're carpooling, the bus, the taxi, whatever it is, you're going to walk to work or you're going to walk downstairs to the basement or wherever your office is, and you're going to focus on your work. You're going to be the best you can be at work. You're not going to be thinking about the family. You put that in a bubble. You know they're in good hands. You know everything's been taken care of. You're going to be doing your work. Now, for those of you who are staying at home, you're going to start your laundry. And you're going to go through an inch of paper. First thing after breakfast, put the breakfast dishes away or wash them, one or the other. Put them in the dishwasher or wash them. You have an empty dishwasher and an empty sink. Don't fill that sink up. Wash those dishes after breakfast and put them in the dish drainer. Okay, next, you're going to do your basic weekly plan. So today is planning and desk day. So this is the day you're going to deal with all those things during the inch of paper where you're going through, or even your mail, where you have action items. This is the day you're going to take care of action items. So if those of you who are working, you're going to take those with you to work and handle them on your lunch hour, which I did for my entire working life. That's what I did. It's the only time I could talk to people who needed to be talked to during the working hours, right? On your break or on your lunch hour. I always found break was better because it was easier to reach them instead of lunch hour, because the whole world's doing lunch hour, right? Next is you're going to pay your bills at work or at home. You're going to balance your checkbook at work or at home. You're going to look at your budget at work or at home. You can do that. Then you're going to go in the kitchen. You can't do this at work, but you can do it in your head and then make your grocery list and your menu based on what you know you have. So you can look in your refrigerator before you go to work and see what you need, dash it down or take a picture, whatever, and then throw away all, and for you staying at home, you'll probably have more time, throw away all the things that you've saved. And again, I'm going to say to you, if you're saving food that's getting wasted every single week, you're making too much food, or you need to be freezing it and bringing it back another week in maybe a different form. But if people aren't eating it and it's sitting in there spoiling, what's the difference than just throwing it away? So why make that much? Okay. You're going to make a grocery list. You're going to base it on what's in your refrigerator, your freezer, and your pantry. You're going to make your menu based on what you already have, and your grocery list based on what you need from that menu. If you make a menu based on what you have and then you add 3 more meals, you have to buy groceries to make those 3 meals. Don't forget about breakfasts, lunches, and snacks. You need to have it all. Don't overbuy, not necessary. If you always have apples shriveled in the container, then you've got too many apples. If you have bananas that go bad on the drain, then you have too many bananas. Reconsider how much you're buying for your family. Waste not, want not, you'll have more money. Make your budget, and when you go to buy groceries, make sure you spend $1 less than you budgeted. It's a feeling of control. Okay, so that's what you're doing today. You're making your menu, you're paying your bills, you're having a desk day, you're planning. You may want to revisit your planner and see if you need to adjust anything for this week. Add any new things in that you haven't already added in that need to go. Maybe a doctor's appointment got added and you need to put that on the schedule. Maybe you discovered somebody's birthday you didn't have on there. Put that in there. Okay. All right. So you're planning for tomorrow, which is errand day. So if you're gonna buy a birthday card for somebody, a gift for somebody, go to the library, go to the post office, go buy a new pair of shoes for the kids, whatever it is. This is what happens. Going by the charity shop and dropping off things in the back of your car and buying groceries. Now, those of you at home who are at work won't be going. You'll be staying at work. Now, you may be running a few things. You may be able to go pick up a size 4 pair of sneakers for your child. And you may be able to go to the post office or the library or go to the charity shop on your way home from work to drop things off. You can do that. Okay, but that's what we're doing today. And then when you come home, you're going to start your laundry at workers. You're going to start your laundry and you're going to go through an inch of paper. It's going to go in your brand new empty basket for next week. You're going to start dinner, and while dinner is simmering, you're going to do your zone 4, the master bedroom. Pick one thing out of your master bedroom, master bathroom, or closet that takes 15 minutes or less, or 2 little things that take 15 minutes or less. I'm hoping 10 at the most. If you haven't done your weekly home blessing hour and you've chosen not to delegate or have no one to delegate to, pick one of the weekly home blessing hour jobs and do that as well. Once it's done, you can enjoy your supper. After dinner routine, everybody, after dinner routine, and then before bed routine. That's it. So this is running a little long. I'm going to go, but I hope you have a wonderful day, and always remember to be beautiful because you are beautiful. Bye.